When you think about the future of overlanding, adventure travel, and full-time van life, one question rises above the rest: what will the ultimate camper rig look like in 2027? Not just upgraded, not just redesigned, completely reimagined. The 2027 RVs camper isn't built to follow trends. It's built to outlast them. This isn't just another box on wheels with solar panels and a bed in the back. It's a self-sustaining expedition platform engineered for people who don't just want to camp, they want to disappear into the wild for weeks, maybe months, without sacrificing comfort, connectivity, or capability. From the outside, the first thing you notice is its stance. Wider track, reinforced composite body, aggressive all-terrain tires wrapped around beadlock wheels. The ground clearance alone tells you this machine wasn't designed for campground parking lots. It was designed for mountain passes, desert crossings, and forest trails that don't show up on maps. The body construction uses aerospace-grade aluminum framing fused with a carbon composite shell. This dramatically reduces weight while increasing rigidity. Less flex on uneven terrain. Better insulation in extreme climates. And unlike traditional RV panels, this structure resists corrosion, dents, and temperature warping. Underneath, the 2027 RVs camper introduces a hybrid electric drivetrain system. Not just for fuel efficiency, but for control. The electric torque delivery allows for precise crawling on technical trails. Instant power when climbing steep inclines. Silent operation when you're deep in nature and don't want to disturb wildlife. And paired with a next-generation turbo diesel backup generator, range anxiety becomes a thing of the past. The suspension system adapts in real time. Smart air suspension reads terrain conditions and automatically adjusts ride height and damping. Highway mode lowers the vehicle for aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. Off-road mode raises clearance and stiffens articulation. There's even a rock crawl setting that optimizes torque distribution to each wheel individually. And that brings us to one of its biggest upgrades: intelligent traction management. Using AI-powered terrain recognition, the system scans the surface ahead using forward-facing cameras and lidar. Sand, snow, mud, gravel, it anticipates slippage before it happens and adjusts throttle, braking, and differential locking instantly. Step inside, and the interior challenges everything you thought you knew about campers. Space is maximized through modular design. The dinette transforms seamlessly into a workstation. The workstation becomes an extended prep kitchen. The bed platform elevates to reveal hidden storage compartments that can hold weeks of supplies. The materials inside are durable but refined. Marine-grade upholstery, scratch-resistant bamboo cabinetry, soft ambient lighting embedded into the ceiling panels. Everything is designed to handle off-grid life while still feeling like a modern studio apartment. The 2027 RVs camper redefines off-grid power. The roof is covered in ultra-thin, high-efficiency solar film rather than traditional bulky panels. These films contour to the roofline, increasing surface coverage while maintaining aerodynamics. Combined with a solid-state lithium battery bank capable of storing over 20 kilowatt-hours, you can run appliances, climate control, and computing equipment for days without starting the generator. Energy management is automated. The system prioritizes essential loads, monitors weather forecasts to anticipate solar gain, and even suggests energy-saving modes when extended cloudy periods are expected. Through a central touchscreen interface, you can see real-time consumption, charging rates, and projected autonomy. Water independence is another game changer. The integrated atmospheric water generator extracts moisture from the air, filters it, and stores it in a multi-stage purification tank. In humid environments, it can produce several liters per day without any external source. Greywater recycling technology allows shower and sink water to be filtered and reused for toilet flushing or exterior washing. Climate control is built for extremes. Triple-layer insulation combined with smart thermal glass keeps the interior stable whether you're parked in desert heat or alpine snow. A heat pump system provides efficient heating and cooling, and radiant floor panels ensure that even winter expeditions remain comfortable. Connectivity matters more than ever. The 2027 RVs camper integrates satellite internet hardware seamlessly into the roofline. Whether you're uploading videos from a canyon or managing remote work from a forest clearing, the connection remains stable. A built-in 5G booster amplifies signals in remote areas where traditional campers would struggle. Security is equally advanced. Biometric entry replaces traditional keys. Fingerprint or facial recognition grants access. Perimeter cameras provide 360-degree monitoring, with motion alerts sent directly to your phone. When parked overnight, the vehicle can enter a secure mode that locks drivetrain controls and activates silent alarms. Cooking in this camper feels nothing like typical RV kitchens. Induction cooktops powered by the battery system eliminate the need for propane. A convection microwave hybrid oven expands meal options. The fridge is dual zone, allowing refrigeration and freezing simultaneously. All drawers use magnetic locking systems to prevent movement on rough terrain. The bathroom layout maximizes efficiency. A retractable wall system expands the shower space when needed, then collapses to maintain living room openness. Composting toilet technology reduces water use and eliminates black tank maintenance. Ventilation fans with humidity sensors automatically adjust airflow to prevent condensation buildup. Storage solutions are everywhere. Exterior gear lockers are weather-sealed and heated to protect equipment in cold climates. Interior cabinets use modular dividers that can be rearranged based on trip needs. There's even a hidden safe integrated into the chassis frame for valuables. Lighting inside and outside is adaptive. Exterior LED floodlights automatically adjust brightness based on surrounding ambient light. Camp mode activates soft perimeter lighting to create a welcoming glow without attracting insects. Interior lighting shifts color temperature throughout the day to mimic natural circadian rhythms. Driving assistance systems make long journeys safer. Adaptive cruise control with trailer integration, blind spot monitoring designed specifically for wide camper bodies, and emergency braking tuned for off-road unpredictability. Yet the vehicle never feels overbearing. Manual override is always available for drivers who want complete control. One of the most impressive innovations is the deployable expansion module. At the touch of a button, a slide-out section extends from the side, increasing interior width significantly. Unlike traditional slide-outs, this system uses reinforced composite rails that resist dust intrusion and mechanical failure even in rugged environments. The roof transforms into usable space. A retractable ladder leads to a rooftop deck with collapsible railing panels. This isn't just for views, it doubles as an observation platform, photography station, or stargazing lounge. Optional awnings extend automatically and adjust based on wind conditions. Maintenance has been simplified through predictive diagnostics. The onboard system constantly monitors drivetrain health, battery efficiency, suspension wear, and tire pressure. Instead of reacting to breakdowns, you receive early warnings with recommended service timelines. Sustainability isn't an afterthought. Recycled materials are used wherever possible. The manufacturing process reduces emissions through localized assembly hubs. And because the camper is built with modular components, upgrades in the future won't require replacing the entire vehicle. For families, the 2027 RVsThis camper includes configurable sleeping arrangements. A drop-down bunk system can be added above the main bed area. Child safety anchors are integrated discreetly into seating positions. Sound dampening insulation ensures peaceful nights even in windy conditions. For solo adventurers, the layout can be optimized for storage and workspace instead of additional beds. The system is built around flexibility. The same chassis can support different interior packages depending on lifestyle needs. Entertainment hasn't been overlooked. A retractable projector integrated into the ceiling turns the main wall into a cinema screen. Surround sound speakers are embedded invisibly. But everything can be powered down into silent mode when you want pure nature. Emergency preparedness features are integrated throughout. A built-in first aid module. Fire suppression sensors in the engine bay and kitchen. An external power output port capable of running tools or assisting other vehicles. When it comes to towing capability, reinforced rear mounts allow for hauling small trailers, motorcycles, or additional gear pods. The hybrid drivetrain compensates for added weight automatically, adjusting torque curves and braking response. Noise reduction engineering makes highway travel surprisingly quiet. Acoustic glass and insulated panels reduce wind and road noise dramatically. Long drives become less fatiguing, making cross-country travel feel effortless. The exterior design balances rugged aggression with clean modern lines. Integrated light bars sit flush with the body. Recovery points are built directly into the frame. Skid plates protect vital components underneath without compromising clearance. In real-world use, this camper isn't just about specs. It's about freedom, the ability to park beside a remote lake and stay there for weeks. To work remotely from national forests. To chase weather patterns across continents without worrying about hookups. As technology advances, the 2027 RVsThis camper doesn't feel like an RV. It feels like a mobile base camp for the future. A platform that blends independence, intelligence, and durability into one cohesive system. And perhaps the most important part, it doesn't force you to choose between comfort and capability. It delivers both. Whether you're navigating icy mountain roads, desert dunes, or urban streets, it adapts. The future of camping isn't about going smaller or bigger. It's about going smarter. And with everything integrated seamlessly, power, water, connectivity, safety, sustainability, the 2027 RVs camper sets a new standard. This isn't just a camper you buy for a season. It's a machine you build a lifestyle around. A vehicle that grows with your ambitions. A home that moves wherever your curiosity leads. In 2027, adventure doesn't wait for perfect conditions. It happens on your terms. And this rig is built to take you there.